Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, March 5th, 2018. Alright people, they're at it again. They are at it again, and it's becoming just utterly ridiculous. What am I talking about? The bond market. They're propping it up as I am doing this video. Now, if you want to just have a look at this, if you're not watching this on my website, which I hope you are, just go over to my website real quick and look at the chart of the bond market. Huge green spike. And what is this doing? Well, cash pouring into the bond market is nudging down yields, which is bullish for the stock market. You know that. The dollar is up a little bit. Metals are getting hammered. Are you surprised about that? Of course you're not surprised about that. Stocks are all over the place. If you were watching the futures last night, your eyeballs were probably exploding. I mean, they were down 200, even down 100, back up. I mean, all over the place. And that's what's happening to stocks right now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened up about 160 points to the downside, then quickly cut those losses in half, and I think it's back down again. So we can expect another absolutely wild ride today. All right. That's fine. We're just going to sit back and I don't know, just take it in, I would guess. I don't know another way to put it. I am still in these positions now. I would not suggest getting in on these right now. I mean, the expiration is right there. So it's kind of close. But I am going to start posting every single one of my positions on my social networks. Let me just say this real quick. On Friday, I was a little bit upset, as many of you probably were able to gather from my video, about people, not paying it forward, like, capitalizing on my stock picks, if you are, and then taking a percentage of that and paying it forward. I was upset about that. I didn't think enough, and I mean, I was wrong, and I'll tell you why. And it just seemed to me that people were just taking it for granted. But over the weekend, hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of emails from all of you, really, that touched my heart, that are doing exactly what I thought wasn't happening. Capitalizing on my stock picks, that's what I want you to do, and then paying that forward to all kinds of charities all over the world. And it really, actually, I almost got choked up from it, I'm not going to lie. It was huge. Thank you to all of you for that. Once in a while you need a kick in the butt, and I think I got one. But I really appreciated it more than you even know. So, anyway, one more time, thank you. It's just so important to give back and pay it forward. Anyway, so look, let's keep an eye on all this stuff here, people. Watch that bond market. It's incredible. Just really do yourself a favor and go look at that chart. You won't believe it. They're in there buying bonds, propping it up, trying to keep those rates suppressed, because this whole thing is hinging on that one factor, that the Federal Reserve keeps the easy money going, keeps interest rates suppressed. So, and that's it, especially in this environment right now where they're trying to blame President Trump for the gyrations in the market and this tariff thing, which is nonsense. It has nothing to do, what we're seeing here has nothing to do with that. One more thing before I let you go. I did a new interview with Greg Hunter, your friend and mine, USA Watchdog. You probably want to catch this if you haven't yet. I'm going to place a link to that interview in the description of this video. Have a look at it. Let me know what you think. And I will see all of you at the end of the day. It's going to be a fun wrap up. Over and out.